Guys, welcome back to the channel. Discount Tools here with another unboxing video. Today we have a very special unboxing for you. We have the Dewalt corded/cordless air inflator. Special buy at Home Depot. $79 battery. I think this is the 1.5. With the bare tool inflator. This model number is DCC020IBP. Now, on its own, the inflator is $79. I bought this whole thing for $79, so free battery. Originally this was $100, but they did lower the price to $79. This is guaranteed tough, as you can see. It runs off of 20 volt, a 12 volt DC, and AC compatible, but this does not come with the AC, I don't believe. As you can see. Let's look at the back. Comes with the inflator, DC adapter, high pressure tapered nozzle, press the valve adapter, inflator needle, 120 volt lithium ion battery pack, 1.5 amp. Some specs. High pressure operating range is 3 to 160 psi. High pressure CFM is 1.5 to 1.5. High volume CFM is 15.2. So that's the low range, the first one. Well, that's the pressure. This is the volume. And the tool weight is 5.5 pounds. Has an LED to help provide illumination, high volume inflation and deflation modes, and high pressure inflation mode with automatic shutoff. Comes with a 3-year warranty, 1-year free service, and 90-day money-back guarantee. There's a 3-year on the battery and 2 years free service. So let's open her up. Let's see what we got inside. First thing comes out is the inflator. Everything else inside is the manual. You got the inflator. Let me get the off. Since Dewalt loves plastic. Let's unbox this real quick. You do get a Dewalt battery. This is the 1.5. There's no LED indicator on this, so this is something lacking. I wish they would give like a 2 amp hour battery then with this. This is an inflator, and as you can see, this is going to draw a lot of from a 1.5, and it should not be like that. You shouldn't be getting that. But let's go over the features. Let's see. Very bright LED screen. Now, to adjust the PSI, you just rotate this dial. It goes up in 0.5 increments. Which is nice. Turn that down. This is, you have an LED light, which is really nice. You can't see it as right now. This whole thing right up here is a rubber overmold. Feels really good in the hand. Let me turn off the light. The buttons are illuminated, as you can see. On, off. and this is to inflate and deflate your tires. Just turn this off. I don't want to turn it on by accident. As you can see, here's the valves. You do have the deflator right here. This is for the hose for deflating items. Just like the Milwaukee that I have. Very nice. I like how it stores. Just took that off. And they really thought of it out because the area where this goes, they don't have a knob here to hold this, so they attached another piece here, as you can see, right onto here, which wraps around. Punch that in, and now everything's nice and tight. It's not as how do you put it, tight as the Milwaukee when you do the back. I did unboxing of that. I'll link that up here. And finally, let's up. Okay. So you have a very nice long wire here. Don't know how long this is, but this looks long enough so that if you don't have, your battery is dead, you can extend this long and far enough from your cigarette lighter to charge, not charge, but to plug it into the inflator and turn the tool on. And I'm gonna guess that if you have something close to this, this will plug in here. So will the AC adapter, and you can use this at a wall outlet as well. But this does not come with the wall outlet, which I think it should. I would say that's a drawback of the whole thing. Let me see if I can get this all back in. I guess it's nice and tight in there. It clicks right back in. I do like the dial. It's very smooth. Let's just see. So you can go really fast with it. So if you won't need 160 psi, you can get up there. It takes a couple of turns, but you do get up there. And then, that's 0 to 160 right there. I will do a demonstration video on this. I do think I will have a flat tire sooner or later, but I will show you how this works. I do like the flashlight on top, because usually if you're in a dark area, this, at nighttime, when you're inflating these tires, it's going to be at night, not at 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 11 a.m. So this does give you an option. It's really nice, and I would definitely do a recommend on this, but I will do the video on how this works with the inflating part. So keep it tuned up on Discount Tools here, and that'll be it for tonight. So you guys have a great day, great night, great rest of your week. Enjoy the weekend, and as always, if you like what you're seeing, please give me a like. Leave down a comment down below on if you'd like to see anything else on this channel. Oh, by the way, this whole thing is rubber oval molds too. This whole just about anything black from here up is a rubber oval mold. That is really nice, so that if it falls, nothing is going to destroy, hurt the tool. So, but other than that, again, give me a like, subscribe if you like what you're seeing, hit that bell notification to get more videos from me. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking and if you have any ideas for the channel. And as always, keep trucking, guys. Have a good night.